Q8011. The primary concern in establishing the firing order for an opposed engine is to A. Provide for balance and eliminate vibration to the greatest extent possible. B. Keep power impulses on adjacent cylinders as far apart as possible in order to obtain the greatest mechanical efficiency. C. Keep the power impulses on adjacent cylinders as close as possible in order to obtain the greatest mechanical efficiency. The correct answer is A. In an opposed engine configuration, where the cylinders are arranged in a horizontally opposed or boxer configuration, it is important to establish a firing order that ensures balance and minimizes vibration. The firing order determines the sequence in which the cylinders ignite, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining engine balance. By properly arranging the firing order, the opposing forces generated by the pistons moving in opposite directions can be balanced, reducing vibration and improving overall engine smoothness. Q8012. If fuel-air ratio is proper and ignition timing is correct, the combustion process should be completed A. 20 to 30 degrees before top center at the end of the compression stroke. B. When the exhaust valve opens at the end of the power stroke. C. Just after top center at the beginning of the power stroke. The correct answer is C. In a four-stroke engine, the combustion process ideally occurs just after the piston reaches top dead center, TDC, at the beginning of the power stroke. This timing allows for maximum pressure to be exerted on the piston as it begins its downward stroke, maximizing the engine's power output. Q8013. Grinding the valves of a reciprocating engine to a feather edge is likely to result in A. Normal operation and long life. B. Excessive valve clearance. C. Preignition and burned valves. The correct answer is C. Grinding the valves to a feather edge means removing excessive material from the valve face, leading to a very thin edge. This practice is not recommended and can have negative consequences. When the valve edge becomes too thin, it becomes more prone to overheating and can cause preignition or abnormal combustion. Preignition occurs when the air-fuel mixture ignites before the spark plug fires, leading to inefficient combustion and potentially damaging effects such as burned valves. Additionally, grinding the valves to a feather edge reduces their sealing capability, which can lead to increased valve clearance. This can negatively affect engine performance and cause various issues. Q8014. Which statement is correct regarding engine crankshafts? A. Movable counterweights serve to reduce the dynamic vibrations in an aircraft reciprocating engine. B. Movable counterweights serve to reduce the torsional vibrations in an aircraft reciprocating engine. C. Movable counterweights are designed to resonate at the natural frequency of the crankshaft. The correct answer is B. The installation of adjustable counterweights suspended from certain crank cheeks reduces torsional vibration brought on the engine firing impulses. By adjusting the resonant frequency of the spinning parts and acting as pendulums, these movable counterweights, also known as dynamic dampers, lessen torsional vibration. Q8015. On which strokes are both valves on a four-stroke cycle reciprocating aircraft engine open? A. Power and exhaust. B. Intake and compression. C. Exhaust and intake. The correct answer is C. Only when there is valve overlap do the intake and exhaust valves open simultaneously. At the conclusion of the exhaust stroke and the start of the intake stroke, there is valve overlap. A few crankshaft rotations before the piston reaches the top of the exhaust stroke, the intake valve opens. The exhaust valve is open until a small amount of crankshaft rotation has passed during the intake stroke.